Hi, my name is Doctor JP Ogalo. I am a plastic reconstructive and aesthetic surgeon from Kenya. We are here in Homa Bay today and this entire week, taking care of patients with cleft lip and cleft palate from in and around Nyanza. This is our second time in Homa Bay County. It's been a while since we were here last. We feel this area, Nyanza in general, has been very underserved in terms of cleft lip and cleft palate care, which is why we made a point of coming back to operate on these children and some adults as well, so that we can have impact. Now, the reason why it is very important to repair these kind of defects is because a lot of children, first of all, go unnoticed without them, or rather get neglected in the community with them, and they end up having a lot of developmental issues, including issues with breastfeeding, issues with speech, and issues with development. Now, these issues altogether can have the effect of affecting how these children grow up, how they learn, and how they perform in school and later on in life. This is the reason why it is very important for us to come here and to lend a helping hand in serving this underserved community and these patients. We hope that the impact will be widespread and that the camp grows and grows and grows. We promise that this will not be our last time here. This is the second of many more camps to come. Thank you, Homa Bay County. It's been a pleasure.